Bet you would.
No, it's not you.
Chloe and Drena are getting the fire going.
It's burning. It's burning.
No, it's not. You're both digging.
We're having girls' night tonight, plus Jackson.
Move. Two of your lights up.
He can be one of the girls for the night.
Spider web.
Whose chair is this? Yours?
It adds to the ambiance, Adrena.
Where's the spider?
Hopefully gone.
Have you seen one of those?
She's trying to find a spider.
I went out in my backyard one night. Oh, look at the beautiful rocket. I went out in my backyard because we got a bunch of,
That's an airplane.
whatever.
And folks, we're not drinking.
We got a bunch of oak trees like this one in our neighborhood.
Uh-huh.
And I went out to let the dogs out one night, and I seen this thing glowing in the dark, like a reflection beam off of something hanging in the air. I was like, what is that? So I got my light on my phone and I shined it. It's a freaking web weaver.
Oh, yeah.
Spider. But it was like this huge.
Huh.
The thing was huge.
I remember you talking about those when we went to Spring Hill.
Ever since I seen that thing, I never go out in my backyard at nighttime. That thing was huge. There it goes.
It's starting. Okay.
Wait, look now right here.
Drena, just...
Was I the only one to notice that?
No, right here.
Chloe!
See?
Chloe is like all up in...
there's
Okay, so apparently the dog's butt looks like what, Adrena? A cat's face?
Cat's face. Not now that she got closer, but far away it looked
Okay, there goes the dog. Drena, are you sure you didn't drink anything before you came over?
like. No. I did make pea soup today. I didn't put no alcohol or nothing in it. Maybe that's what it was, the old ham bone. Maybe it got like alcohol.
Fermented or something?
Did you look at my new video?
No, I didn't get a notification. Drena has her own YouTube channel. It is called Drenas World.
You know, Drena and Mike's Paranormal.
Wait, you posted one on that one? Okay, she's got Drena and Mike's Paranormal Adventures too.
See, she got the notification.
And we, when COVID started, we couldn't really do much. So there's several videos of us on little adventures with Adrena and Mike.
There are.
Good times.
A lot of them.
It was the best little activity though.
Because Mike's cousin called us called him a couple days ago. It was on Friday. It was yesterday morning. She calls and she was talking about his brother passing away and stuff, and then she just was talking, and then she goes, why'd y'all stop putting out videos? And he was like, hold on, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone so Drena can hear you. So he said, say it again. And she says, why'd y'all stop putting out videos? She says, I'm not gonna lie, I started stalking your YouTube your YouTube page, waiting for new videos to come out. And y'all aren't putting out no new videos. She's like, I come one day, nothing there. Come the next day, nothing there. Come the next day. So I was like, wow, really? You were like checking out our videos, but she's not subscribed. So I was like, well, why didn't you subscribe to our channel?
Yeah.
You're watching them, which we appreciate, but you're not subscribed. So she's like, no, but I like watching them. She said, you don't be hearing me talking and yelling at y'all on the screen.
We need to go again one night.
And then she says,
Where?
and then she goes, then y'all got the white friends along? I like the white friends. They funny.
Oh,
Tyrone.
Tyrone.
You hear Aaron?
Hey, Tyrone.
You hear Aaron?
I miss you, Tyrone.
She said, was it? Or he said, was it?
I miss you.
She said she missed you.
Potatoes. We're making hobo meals tonight. You get some potatoes, and you can get as many as you want. And then do you like? I'm gonna let you do your own, but you can put carrots on there if you want. I don't do carrots.
Why is she talking herself?
And then onions. Do you like onions?
I do. I love onions.
Okay, good.
That's my downfall. I love onions. When I was a baby, I used to eat them like they were apples.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't do that.
And then, I've already got the foil pen. So then, I salt and pepper, however I like.
Her cute Corona salt and pepper bottles.
My Corona salt and pepper shaker.
Coronitas.
Oh, I didn't want that. I wanted the sorry, I got garlic salt. It's just gonna be a
It's
little
gonna be salty.
extra salty.
What happened?
It's fine.
It's fine. Just touch
it
the
just
screen.
does that.
And then look. Then all you do
So she has some hamburger patties.
is you take a hamburger patty and you put the hamburger patty on top.
Okay.
Okay. And then
I know what I call it.
you can season your hamburger patty if you want to. Can I have that towel, please? Yeah, I'll just put my garlic salt on my hamburger patty.
I'm gonna make another hot dog. I'll be back.
Honey, you can make as many as you want.
Actually, I'm gonna wait for you because I don't know really how to.
Oh, I forgot one thing.
Oh, I got one thing.
Cream of mushroom.
Oh yeah, the cream of mushroom. It's supposed to go on top.
Well, it can just kind of blob on there however you want. And then you just got to close it up.
Make a little oven out of it.
And then after we get them sealed up, I'll probably just wrap it again. Just, you know, I'll wrap it with another piece of foil, and then we're going to throw those on the fire. And we're going to eat them. They're going to be so good. Okay, so now you get
Do you
to...
guys do this when you go camping?
We have.
We have, yeah.
Yeah.
We've actually done it here too.
So now you get to make yours.
Okay. Now I'm going to make mine.
Chloe's over here eating her dinner, and Lila, you trying to get a hot dog?
I think he's just watching for raccoons.
Lila, you trying to get a hot dog? It's kind of dark.
Oh, please don't. Oh, hey. Whoa.
Lila's over here trying to get Chloe's hot dog. Sydney, you trying to get it too?
She was jumping.
You trying to get a hot dog?
Where'd she go?
Right there. Be careful.
I think I'm really far back.
Well, you kind of are.
Yeah.
God punishes those who lie, Jackson.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Right here. I thought you said you were a child of God.
Yeah.
Like so dependent on her hot coals. Like it blows.
They cook fast, don't they?
It blows my girl. You had your stuff right in the flame.
Jesse,
Here you go. What, bub?
can I have the camera when it's off?
You was torching that stuff.